right, so we were driving down the highway, having some fun, taking our stops, and then we just see these two kids trying to get our attention, these young skater-looking guys. They pull up at the light, they're like, yo, whoa, what up? Yo, come to this skate shop and skate the mini ramp. And then we're like, all right, let's do it. And they're like, follow us, follow us. So now we are following him.
Don't try this at home, folks. We're trained professionals. We gotta think Krav Maga, defense strategies, exit strategy.
No, we gotta have faith in humanity.
Every inch we move forward, farther away from civilization, is the more anxious I get.
On this meter, it's us getting murdered. On this end, it's skating.
It's like content.
The farther we go, the more it goes to
murder. Skate scene out here is wild. Like, we're in Reading, that's a good 3.5, 4 hours away from the Bay Area. Imagine just like pulling up at a red light in your hometown and you see a van full of the entire Braille team just chilling in your city.
And not only just us chilling, you go, hey, follow me, and we follow you. Like, what?
Let's go. Concrete Lodge.
That's
gay. Hey, they got paintball right here.
I don't know about this spot, Gabe.
Let's go.
He looks familiar.
Yo, is that I was in Fremont like 2 weeks ago. That's crazy.
What's going on?
Yeah, I'll Sean.
What's up, Chris? Nice to meet you. We out here. The love is real.
Chilling.
Woo!
It's cooking.
Tell us about this skate shop.
This is a little corner shop, Concrete Lodge. It's our little family spot. It's where we eat dinner sometimes.
We got like boards.
Keep it casual. We got a little mini ramp inside.
I've been open for like 3 years now. Sick. We've had like 4 different ramps. This is the one that's lasted the longest.
Some homies pulled up to us on the street and they said, hey, there's a skate shop with a mini ramp. Come skate with us. Yo! What the heck? This is the best mini ramp ever! What's up? This is the greatest mini ramp I've ever been to.
It's hot.
Look at that, Rick.
Dude, we got the hospitality right
How's it
here.
going, man?
What's going on? Shout out the shop.
Concrete Lodge, Reading, California. Come stop by.
Look at this setup.
Oh, a little rail.
Woohoo! Dang.
Yeah, Mo. Oh!
Yeah, he's shredded.
That was the weirdest pop out.
Yeah. So we are hyped on the homies initiative. They actually told me they seen that we were at that lake hole thing, and then they're like, oh dang, they're so close to us. Let's go see if they're still there. Drove out, then they're like, oh, I guess they're not there. Drive back, see us on the road, like come to the skate park, come to the skate park. So I really respect the dedication, the ingenuity. So I thought we gotta give them one of my boards. I already put my stickers on and the grip on, but hey, it's all good. Let's sign it and just give it to them. Dang.
All right, we're leaving this here, huh?
Been a while.
It's been a while.
Cold beverage.
Is that a heart?
Yep. I always sign out with the heart because it's all about the love.
Dang, JD, when'd you go to Sonic? How is it still cold?
Oh, I signed it upside down.
All right, the main homies that found us. Hey, we just want to
Oh, dude.
for your hospitality. We just wanted to go to the shop.
Really? Oh, dude, that's so sick. Thank you, guys.
Sorry about the
Thank
stickers,
you.
but that was
No, no, that's super sick. I really appreciate that, guys.
Hey, you guys killed it.
Thanks, bro. Nice meeting you
meeting you
guys.
guys. Nice meeting you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
No worries. Hey, can I take a photo?
You gotta take a picture in front of the shop?
Of course. Wait, how did you find us?
Homie on Snapchat said you're at the lake. And I said, say less. I don't know where we're going.
A huge thanks to Concrete Lodge for the hospitality, for letting us come shred their mini ramp. If you are in the Reading area, definitely come check it out right now. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Leave those comments below, and we want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need with the Braille Army Plus. Let's go!